Hola amigos, today I'm sharing my recipe for Sopa de Coditos, a simple Mexican elbow macaroni soup that's pure comfort in a bowl. It reminds me of childhood afternoons with my mom and sisters, those innocent, cozy moments that felt safe and full of love. And honestly, that's the kind of comfort that my soul is needing lately, especially with everything going on in the world right now. If you're feeling it too, you're not alone. I'm sharing resources, ways to help, and a little extra compassion over on my Instagram stories. You're welcome to join me. We start off by blending tomato, onion, and garlic with a splash of water until nice and smooth. And then we are going to toast the elbow macaroni or coditos. And make sure to use the small macaroni noodles for this. And you're just going to toast it in the oil and then keep stirring until it gets a nice and golden color. Now you might have a few pieces here and there that are a little bit extra darker, more golden, but that's okay. Then carefully pour in your tomato salsa and then stir it, and you're just going to let that cook down until it's mostly been absorbed. Now I always add a splash of water to the blender just to get all those delicious bits out of the blender. Like I said, just stir that until it's been mostly absorbed like you see here. And then if you're going to add vegetables, which you can, you would add those now, and then you're going to pour in your vegetable broth. Give that a good stir. Oh, don't forget the salt. And then just give that a good stir. You're going to now just let the noodles cook and get nice and tender. Don't overcook the noodles because then it'll get soggy and it won't taste good. Now you can leave it partially covered. While that's cooking, I wash dishes. Unfortunately, I don't have a helper right now, so I have to wash the dishes. And this is just from one recipe. If you see my kitchen, it's always trash on production day. But anyway, so by now, after you wash the dishes, the noodles should be cooked, and then you can just do a little test just to make sure that they're tender. But again, don't overcook them. Now, I like to serve my sopita with corn tortillas, so I'm heating some corn tortillas right now. I've cut up some vegan cheese into little cubes, and I also cannot eat my sopita with a big squeeze of freshly squeezed lime juice. And I grew up also drizzling some crema over my sopita. These are optional. You can use them if you'd like. If you want like a spicy taste, you can add some Valentina sauce, or you can add like some chipotle pepper or chile de árbol to the tomato sauce when you blend it. And that's it, amigos. I really hope you make this sopa. It's so easy to make. It's kid-friendly, budget-friendly. You pretty much probably already have all the ingredients in your pantry at all times. And I love to dip my tortilla into it. Take care of yourselves and have a fantastic day. Let me know if you try the recipe. As always, the ingredients are listed in the description of the video and the recipe card on my blog.